my beautiful province, Bulacan.
Hello, Ate Steffi's, you're good.
Chair na di ay good. Hi, Lars! Plastica. Yes, Lars and I were actually batchmates in the first edition of MIQ Philippines. Alright, so for your question, let me call in. Hindi ko ganun tawag niya. Angel Marie Madrigal, Queen Philippines Earth 2019. Talagang sa siya. Ako yan. Asa man ang bowl, girl? Okay, pick from the bowl. Let's pick from the bowl. Okay, yes, Lars, please take a question.
Yes.
Alright, so I know you have a boyfriend, right?
Yes.
So this is very common to you. So the question is, what will you do if your boyfriend's buddy or best friend says he likes you too? What issue?
Well, the first thing that I will do is to say to my boyfriend, of course, because in this kinds of situation, you just have to be honest with your partner, because the best foundation of every relationship is honesty, love, and respect for each other. And I think it's a sign of respect that you say to him whatever you know about like this. It might lead to cheating, it might lead to misintegrity of his best friend, and I think he deserves to know whatever is happening between our relationship.
Correct, because honesty is
the best policy.
Correct.